Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle. Today I'm going to be doing some fridge organization. You can see stuff is like all over the place and I really want to get it organized because it's everywhere for me. So I got all of these from Home Goods. I got some crafts, some little jars, I've never seen these kind of mason jars. Just like Lazy Susan for the refrigerator. These two I actually got from Ross, but everything else is from Home Goods. These already have, of course I'm going to be using those. Not sure what that is. I'll be using these. And I think I have another, oh, right here for my eggs. I think I have another one up in here, or it's already out. I don't know, but let's get to it. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is take everything out of the refrigerator. I'm only gonna be doing the refrigerator part, not the freezer part, because I don't have anything to organize my freezer yet. So that'll be like a whole nother day. But right now I'm just focusing on organizing all of this. Okay guys, I got everything out of here in the drawers. I'm not sure how to take these drawers out, or even if I can. The doors are kind of in the way, see? And this is like as far as it goes because, I don't know, it's just built that way. So yeah, it like hits right here. I'm gonna try my best to clean it out and everything. Cleared out the snack drawer. So let me show you guys my cleaning solution. So right here I have a bowl of water and a little bit of Salsad's cleaner, my gloves, and a couple of microfiber cloths. So I'm gonna go in there and kind of scrub it down with this. Now you don't want to use a toxic cleaner like bleach and, you know, chemical things in there near your food. This is a natural cleaner and it'll be safe to clean your refrigerator. So I'm gonna use this, go in there with this, and then wipe everything up with the towels. I'm done washing it. You know, I went in there with my sponge and Salsads and washed everything, and then I went over it with a wet microfiber towel to clean up all of the soap, and then after that I wiped it down with a dry microfiber cloth to get up all the wetness. Now it's all clean. And let's head over to let me close this. Heading over to the food. This is food I already need to toss. I forgot all about this zucchini and now it's bad. Ugh. I can feel like dents and oh god, it's old. This is a lime. My daughter likes eating lemons and limes. This is like a little cucumber and tomato salad I made a while ago. It needs to be tossed. Some vegan ceviche. That definitely looks old. Well, it's just the avocado that makes it look really, really bad. And these are like old quesadillas that need to be tossed. So over here, I got all my produce. Well, most of it. And then over here is all of the food. And over there is the cheeses and my fruits and stuff that I pulled out of the refrigerator. Okay, now what I'm gonna do first is put all of the condiments and stuff in this little spinning Lazy Susan. So I'm gonna put my dressings in here. I do plan on getting some like bottles and stuff for the dressings. Let me see, is this? Oh, loading, you guys. Best Buy. What does that say? Can you focus? Best Buy, July 25th, 2021. Now this stuff, it tastes interesting. It's not bad, but it's not like really good. That's probably why it's just been sitting there for a while. But I do want to finish it. It's kind of tasty. Let's see. Kind of want the ketchup and the mayo. I mean mustard to be an easy read. Oh, this one's still kind of cool. I'll put the barbecue sauce on here. Well, no, I'll leave that out because my husband likes barbecue sauce out. The Sun Butters. Let's see. I should have grabbed 2 of these, y'all. Let's see the salsa. Put that in the middle. What else? Garlic, onion scarlet. You know what? I'm gonna just toss this because I don't think I'm gonna eat that. So, tahini. Put that in there. This is used in like a lot of vegan dishes. That's why that's there. Some Vital Wheat gluten. Should I put it here? No, because I have like another bottle of the whipped cream. Put those together. Let me put this camera up so I can figure this stuff out, y'all. Okay. Let's see what else. Put this back in the cabinet. Uh-oh. Oh. Okay guys, I'm starting to get organized. I put the milk in the carafes. I'll show you guys that later. Right now I'm about to, you know, do my bins. So after I fill up the bins and stuff, then I will move everything to the refrigerator. I'm pretty much done getting everything in a bin. I do have some stuff left over, like some of my little mason jars. I do have these left over. Put some garlic in this one, pickles. This is sweet tea, my milk. Over here we have more condiments for sandwiches, sun butter, mayo. These are like little extra produce I had. I just put it here. A bin for our cheeses, the Lazy Susan for condiments, produce, some more stuff, produce, juices, yogurt, eggs. I'm keeping those in there, the juice in their containers, because I haven't opened these yet. And I need some more carafes. I need to find more carafes. I want to find a bigger one for the milk. I want to find another one for our coffee creamer, and some more for, I might just end up using these for juices after I find more, another one for like the milk. Yeah. So let's get it popping. Oh, I did line the produce drawers with a paper towel. So now I'm going to load my fruit and my onions into here. I think, you know what? I think I'm going to just put this cilantro and other stuff in the drawer with the onions. Yeah, I think I'm going to just do that. Guys, for tuning in to today's video. This is the end of my organizing, cleaning of my refrigerator. I hope you enjoyed it. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications. Also, don't forget, you guys, to hit the like button, excuse me. So until next time, see you guys later. Bye.